When you take out a finance lease or contract hire agreement, it is important to think beyond just the vehicle rental cost. Keeping vehicles maintained, roadworthy and running efficiently can take time, organization and unexpected costs, whether you are managing one vehicle or an entire fleet. That is why many personal and business customers choose to include Rivervale's service, maintenance and repair package. SMR is a fully managed maintenance program that gives customers access to our nationwide network of franchised and independent repairers, helping keep vehicles maintained and on the road wherever they are in the UK. All routine servicing and maintenance required during the agreement are covered in line with manufacturer guidelines based on the agreed mileage and contract term. With fixed monthly maintenance costs included as part of the agreement, customers can budget more effectively and avoid unexpected repair bills, giving greater cost control and peace of mind throughout the contract. Rivervale currently manages tens of thousands of vehicles, supporting private individuals, small businesses and larger fleets with straightforward and cost-effective vehicle solutions designed to reduce downtime and simplify day-to-day vehicle management. Customers also benefit from access to our My Vehicle Manager app, making it easy to keep track of MOT dates, servicing schedules, maintenance bookings, and key vehicle information all in one place. And because effective SMR is about more than just booking vehicles into garages, Rivervale works proactively behind the scenes to monitor maintenance trends, manage costs, and help customers keep their vehicles operating efficiently throughout the agreement. To find out more about Rivervale's SMR package and how it can support you or your business, get in touch with our team of experts today.